Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exceeded account. Application of Calm App, you will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Calm App. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Calm App. And then you can uninstall your app and then you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.